Hi, I'm Naira Taco with Coldwell Schmitt Real Estate, working from home today to keep a safe distance here in the fabulous Florida Keys. Just like you, in the midst of this pandemic, we're taking every precaution to keep everyone and ourselves safe. And just like you, I don't know what the future is going to bring, but I do know one thing for sure, and that is that my sellers still want to sell and that buyers still want to buy, especially at this time when they can still take advantage of the extra low interest rates that are still being offered. So I want to thank you for visiting this open house. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to hearing from you. If it hasn't happened already, a little chat button will pop up. Please feel free to take advantage of that, or call me, or text me, or email me. I'd be happy to hear from you. So please stay safe. Welcome to 29051 Magnolia Drive on the island of Big Pine Key. This custom-built home is of concrete block construction with a metal roof and has a combination of hurricane shutters and impact windows, which make this property eligible for insurance discounts. You'll enjoy the benefits of canal front living in this 2-bedroom, 3-bath home with bonus room, attached garage, boat davits, and much more. The neighboring lots, both next door and across the canal, are protected lands owned by the county, which ensures that there'll be no future building on them to assist in the protection of our endangered species, primarily the key deer. You'll enjoy entertaining or just kicking back in this virtually maintenance-free backyard. Additionally, you'll have a covered patio, which provides a nice shady area that can extend into the carport. Here's the scenic route you'll be taking to open water, which is approximately 10 to 13 minutes at idle speed. This spacious screened-in porch with dual ceiling fans provides plenty of room for outdoor dining. It also provides for comfortable outdoor relaxation, day or night, any time of the year. Now let's go inside. Please note that you'll enter through 3 sliding glass pocket doors which fully recess into the wall, extending the feel of outdoor living. The split floor plan has the master bedroom directly off the living room. Let's look inside. The master suite offers a large walk-in closet, which is located next to the L-shaped master bathroom. In here you'll find multiple windows which offer plenty of natural light, double vanities, and double medicine cabinets. High-end stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and an abundance of cabinets make this the ideal kitchen, which will delight any chef. The kitchen cabinetry extends into the dining area, which seamlessly transforms into a home office. While we're focused on this side of the home, let me give you a glimpse of the guest bedroom, which the current owners use as their home office. And just next to the guest bedroom, you'll find the second 3-piece common bathroom. So we've covered the main living area, and now we've entered the ground level bonus room. This home was permitted prior to 1975, which entitles it to be considered pre-firm. If you're not sure what that means, I'd be happy to explain it to you later. The laundry room is just off the bonus room, which is also where you'll find bathroom number 3. It is not uncommon at all to have manatee sightings in this canal. This curious little guy is attempting to make friends with Lonnie, the resident pup. Before we conclude, I'd like to just point out that the garage can be accessed from both the front and the rear of the property, where there's also additional storage. So thank you for attending my virtual open house. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. I'm also ready, willing, and able to provide you with your own private showing. Just give me a call. Thanks.